fighting COVID, and we're all in it together. And this contribution this morning will enhance whatever we need and to help us to fight COVID. I'm happy also that the Minister of Public Health come with his wealth of experience to help us to put together systems that are lacking, if there need to improve what is there, so that we can all work together in unison to fight the deadly disease.
The first time for me in Guyana to attend such small ceremony, the handover of the PPE. I want to share with you that the first COVID case occurred in China. And Chinese people, Chinese government, we win the strategic victory. So at that time, Chinese people, Chinese government have won the support of the international community, including Guyana. After the not final success of combating COVID-19, Chinese focused international cooperation. Guyana is one of the country. We are the first country to provide the PPE and the support to Guyana since this March 2nd. The first case occurred in Guyana. So we have worked for Guyana. The Chinese embassy is working hard to try to convince the people in China, convince the government to give us support. So at the moment now, we have 4 batches the PPE arrived in Guyana. So this time really is very special, and we have ventilators here. And I want to say that the friendship, people always say, friends in need is a friend indeed. Yes. I want to let the Guyanese people know, whatever happens, whatever changes, Chinese people and Chinese government, we are committed to support Guyanese people and the Guyanese government. We are committed to work together for the better life of the two peoples of two countries. Today really is very important. This is not only the beginning and also not the last sport. And I want to share with you all, I have talked to the President, His Excellency, Mr. Ali, that we are working harder, and we just have discussion with the Minister and how can we work together. We have to win this fight, because we, generally speaking, in terms international level, Guyana, we have low risk here. This because of the people, we are following the rule, protocols. We are working together, but we cannot be complacent. Even we have success, but now we have still a long way to go. That means we have to work together and try to follow the instructions, rules, protocols of the government. And I have confidence if we work together, support each other, the future really is in our hand.
I'm extremely pleased this morning that we were able to have not just this donation, but a very good discussion on some of the ways that the Chinese government can collaborate with Guyana's government in the area of public health. And I'm very pleased that, China has been working with us as a people to help to keep us safe. As we discussed, you were one of the very first governments who responded to COVID-19 here in Guyana by providing us, at the time, very scarce supplies of PPE. When there was a global shortage, you somehow was able to find PPE to assist in our efforts in Guyana in combating the disease. And we are grateful to you for that effort. But you did not stop there. You continue to work with us and have been continuously helping us with supplies, and we are very grateful for that. This morning, as I understand it, we are receiving here another supply of very valuable PPE because we need it for our frontline workers. And by having these supplies, we are able to protect our health workers and those patients who are in hospital and who would need such supplies. It is an important gesture, and it's more than a gesture because it is going to help to protect lives of Guyanese people, of the people here who would need this type of protection. In addition to that, as you know, Ambassador, from the clinical side of things, one of the ways that as patients, if they move to a more severe form of the disease, then we'll need to have them properly ventilated. And we are pleased that in this particular donation that you're helping us with some ventilating machines, which would certainly help our hospitals a great deal. So we want to thank you and the government of China for this, for another donation to us, because you have been continuously donating. And we are extremely pleased, and we, as was discussed, that we can continue to collaborate with you and your government to further the goals of the government of Guyana in the area of public health. Once again, I thank you very much.